So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So this video is going to be very super helpful cause in this video I am gonna answer of your question. Actually most of you guys had comment me, Nakul, how do you practice of speaking, please tell us too. So that is why guys I want you to please immerse with me in it so that you would know that how I practice of speaking, right? Actually, so before I dive in, I wanna make sure guys I'm not gonna answer directly to the question, right? Means if you guys watching this vlog until it end, then you guys automatically know practice that how I practice of speaking and I make sentences, right? So that is why I want you to please watch this video until it end. And right now, as some of you guys know, right now I am here outside from my house. Actually I have come to tie my cattle here and I have done to tie them, and now it's time to back home. And yes, while going home, if I got anything, I'm gonna teach a lot of English sentences, and you guys can imagine that how I speak or how I make little by little English sentences, right? So that is why you guys please watch this video and you keep knowing that how I make sentences, right? So keep on watching. Okay guys, so right now I just got back home, and when I reached home I am speechless because around me there are a lots of people, so that is why. Okay, so right now I am going to the faucet to wash my feet and hand a little bit because it get dust, right? So that is why this is called a faucet, and it give us water if I up down this handle, right? Okay, so right now I just washed my face and feet and also hand, and right now I need the towel to dry off my face. And she is my sister, she is doing the dishes. And just after reaching home, they are kids of God. Hey, how are you? This is called a cotton, and with this cotton I am going to dry off my face, or I am drying my face. Guys, right now I am free for a while, so what I'm gonna do, so right now I am gonna study for a while cause due to my hectic days I couldn't study for a while days. So that is why right now I am gonna review some journaling. Yes, and right now my bra is watching. I am sure you are able to see my bra, right? Okay, is it okay? Yes, okay. Okay, so now let me review some of my journaling, because of my journaling I am able to speak English in front of you guys. And now you might be wondering, Nakul, why don't you speak loudly? So the answer is, guys, around me there are some of people, so that is why I am feeling shy actually. So that is why I am getting speechless, right? So that is why I do not want to speak louder, right? Okay, so let me study. Yeah, okay guys, again I have got here outside from my house. Do you know why I have come here? Actually my mom asked me to bring our cows, so that is why I have got here. And right now I am looking for my cows because I didn't see, or actually my dad tied them this morning, and he didn't ask me where they have tied. So that is why right now I am looking for my cows, and then just after finding my cows then I will take them home. And yes, actually that is why I have come here again outside from my house. Okay, so right now let me find them and then I will take them home. Okay, so right now I have got two of my cows, and one of my cows is grazing and the second one is ready to go. Okay guys, so first let me get home and then let's see what kind of sentences I come across with to teach you English, right? See what's in my hand. It has lunch. This is lunch. Actually someone has asked me to take this lunch to his brother. So actually right now it's 12 p.m. and at this time I every day go to the river to give water to my pets. The pets that I have tied in the morning that I have showed you, right? And right now it's time to give water. So while going he asked me, and the one who gave this lunch, actually he asked me, Nakul, will you go to the river? And I say yes. And she says, if you are going to river, Then simultaneously, could you please take this lunch to my brother? So I say yes. So that is why he give us this lunch, and that is why I am taking this lunch to his brother, and that is away from me. By the way, later, a few moments later, I am gonna get there, right? Okay, so let's keep on watching, and I will see you just after get there, right? Okay guys, so finally I have got here to my destination. Actually guys, I couldn't say anything when I was there, when I was called, right? Actually you guys know why I couldn't teach you any sentences. Actually if I wanted, I can teach you some English sentences by doing some action that I was doing as I showed you earlier, right? So but because of shyness, I couldn't teach you any sentences while doing something there, right? Okay, but by the way, now it's time to give water to my cattle. So first I'm gonna take my pets to the river to give water, because it's sunny today and I'm sure they are pretty thirsty. So in order to kill their thirsty, I will have to take all of my pets to the river to drink water, to give water. And by the way, you might have a question, Nakul, what is the name of this river? Guys, the name of the river is called Mahananda River. Yes, you can Google for know more about it. Okay, so right now I am looking for a stick. Yes, yes, I grab a stick because sometimes my white calf is bothering me a lot sometimes. So that is why in order to handle him, I grabbed a stick, and just after taking this stick, and now I can handle them without any hassle. So that is why I took it, right? Now my pets are grazing, and by the way, there is a woman and who is also coming with his pets to give water in the river, and my time is to tie them. Okay, so first I am going to take in a nice place where it's so much grass, right? Okay, let me take them. Hey, Fir, the one who was drying his corn, and right now he has went to his home. Actually he forgot his phone, so that is why he went to his home, and he says, Nakul, you stay here just a moment and I will be right back. So that is why I am here instead of him. And right now I'm going to show you the background of this place. Now as you can see, and he was drying his corn, and right now I am here instead of him. And here there is a bottle of water, and I'm going to drink. So in order to drink water, first I have to twist off the cap of this bottle, then I will drink. Okay guys, so right now I have got here on the cot. Actually I am having rest by sitting on the cot, and now you might be wondering, Nakul, who was there? Actually while drinking water, and his brother came, yes, instead the person who was there. So right now, but so that is why I think if you have come here, then I am going home because I am getting hungry a little bit. So that is why. Okay, so let me get home first, and then let's see whatever I will got, and then I will try to teach some English sentences as I teach you, right? Okay guys, so right now I just took a bath, and now it's time to apply oil in my hair, and I will comb, and then I will have lunch. Okay guys, again I have come here towards river, especially to my pets. And now as you can see, one of my pets, especially the red one, I have moved from there to next place so that he can graze more, and simultaneously I will have to move the next one. Yes. Yes, also I have moved the next one, and now it's time to stop recording. Yes guys, from here I would like to stop recording because here is nothing any special thing so that I can teach you English by using the object or thing, right? So that is why it would be better if I stop recording, because you guys know I am not a fan of stretching this vlog unnecessarily longer, right? So, and I hope you guys learned something new. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of English content. And at the end here I would say one more thing, and right now I think you guys would knew that how I construct little by little English sentences and how I make a longer video, right? So that's how you also can shoot a vlog every day, or twice or thrice videos in a week at least you can also make. So that's how you also can improve your fluency by sitting at home. Yes, as I improve. Okay guys, so that's all for today, and bye bye.